There are many different possible causes for PS5 can't start the game or app error to occur. It's dependent on which version of the PS5 system software using, on what kind of storage device, where the game, app is installed, you're using, and what other games, apps are installed. So, try out the following methods until you get things right. Method 1. Restart your PS5. Turn off the PS5 until the power indicator is off. Unplug the PS5 from the wall power outlet. Disconnect any peripheral attached to the PS5 including the DualSense controller. Leave your PS5 in this state for 5 minutes or so. Plug the PS5 power cable back into the wall outlet. Only connect the DualSense controller to your PS5. Turn on the PS5 while the DualSense controller is connected to it, and wait for the PS5 system software to completely load. If the game, app that causes the problem is installed on an external storage, connect it to the PS5 and wait until it's recognized and enabled. Otherwise, if it's installed locally, don't connect anything yet to the PS5 and try to launch it before anything else. Method 2. Clean the disk carefully and try again. Your disk might be dirty and need cleaning. Use a little alcohol with a piece of fabric and clean it gently and softly until you see it has become clean enough. If you notice some major scratches on the lower surface of the disk, then it's a strong indication that the disk is damaged and you have to get a new one. Otherwise, you need to use the disk on another PS5 and check whether it works fine or not. If it does, then the PS5 system might have some corrupted, damaged files that must be repaired. Method 3. Stay up to date. The PS5 system software update is important because it helps to fix bugs and improve the performance of your PS5. So, if the can't start the game or app error is caused by an incompatibility issue or even system file corruption, updating the PS5 system software can resolve that. Otherwise, you should check for a game's updates and version manually. Outdated versions can be problematic, and it's wise to resolve the issue sooner rather than later. Method 4. Move your game or app to the internal storage. When the storage device on which the game or app is installed is malfunctioning, defective, you'll get errors when trying to run that game or app. In order to avoid any troubles concerning the functionality of your external HDD on PS5, just move that game, app to the local internal SSD and try to launch it from there. Method 5. Reinstall the game or app. Remove and reinstall the application. During the process, don't forget to turn off your console. The fix works because every time you download the game, it includes the latest version. It can take up to several hours depending upon the size of the game. For fast downloads, make sure you have a reliable internet connection. Method 6. Factory reset the PS5. This is the last resort when PS5 error couldn't be fixed with any of the above methods. You will need then to factory reset the PS5. For those unfamiliar, a factory reset is exactly what it sounds like. It resets your PS5 console to its default factory settings as if you were opening it and booting it up for the very first time. You'll lose all of your game data, save data, and personal account data that are stored on the machine. Basically anything on the system's hard drive will be erased. Because of this, it's recommended you first back up any files you don't want to lose for good. You can do this by transferring your files to an external hard drive or using the PS Plus cloud service. Once you have properly backed up your files, you can begin the factory reset. Thankfully, Sony makes this fairly easy on the PlayStation 5.